Now, with Bitcoin currently testing multi-year support levels, the bottom could fall out of cryptocurrency at any given moment. And I'm not just talking about Bitcoin, I'm talking about altcoins as well. And the stocks that, I guess, utilize cryptocurrency trading are really being hit hard as well. So I want to talk about cryptocurrency. I want to talk about these major support levels and what it means moving forward. But I also want to talk about Coinbase and how the earnings that came out for Coinbase today are a very good indicator that cryptocurrency trading is really pulling back at the moment. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you ever click that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, 5 free stocks. Any $1 crypto trade, $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, you have those down there as well. And guys, I'm sorry if my eyes are red or if they're watering a little bit. I got terrible allergies today, and we're pushing through it. So thank you for bearing with me on that. But let's talk about Coinbase first, and then let's talk about these major levels of support that could potentially be broken today, and what it means for the future of cryptocurrency, and why you guys could make so much money moving forward. I mean, everybody hates when things go down, but we might be presented with a third in a lifetime opportunity here. We missed out on the first 2 times. We will absolutely not miss out on a third time. So, Coinbase reporting earnings today, and they reported that revenue fell by 27%. Now, revenue on Coinbase, if you guys aren't familiar with who they are one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges that it's out there. They IPO'd, and they were doing very well because they IPO'd at a time when cryptocurrency was doing very well. And with cryptocurrency falling in price, that's one thing. But exchanges like Coinbase and any broker out there that's allowing you to trade cryptocurrency makes money on the spread. They make money when you buy and when you sell. So the more active of a trader you are, the more often you're buying and selling cryptocurrency, the more money that Coinbase could make. Now, if you haven't seen them, they are ticker symbol COIN. They're coin out there on the brokerages. So if you're interested in buying them on this dip, absolutely go ahead. But just know that the dip can continue. So knowing that the revenue is correlated to how often people are buying and selling, and watching the transactional volume drastically decrease across the cryptocurrency market, it is really hitting Coinbase hard and is an indicator that there's a lot less attention and a lot less, I guess, emotion and FOMO and retail interest in cryptocurrency as it's going down. Now, that's the hard part, and we could be gearing up for what they call a crypto winter, right? In 2017, going into 2018, cryptocurrency took a very hard hit, with Bitcoin falling from roughly $20,000 per coin, nearing bottoms a year later, 2 years later, around $3,000 per coin. Now, clearly that is a drastic decline, and will we reach something like that this time? You know, I'm not sure. I'm not sure where the bottom is, but we are really pushing a $30,000 price tag on Bitcoin right now, and it is held up as a multi-year level of support. If Bitcoin falls through this $30,000 level, we could be in for some major declines. Now, what does that mean for us as holders of cryptocurrency? You know, you have to have your plan in place, and I've been talking about this in several videos now, and what might be fine for me to hold, maybe you sell. And what might be fine for you to sell, maybe I hold. And, you know, there's major differences there between what you're willing to hold and what you're willing to sell, and the pros and cons to those. I talked about the pros and cons in the video last night, so we're not going to go over all of them in this video, but just know that you should be playing out your trading plan accordingly to what is best for you. Now, with that being said, we have to shift our focus long term. You know, with the market that we're facing right now, Bitcoin, Shiba Inu coin, Ape coin, Solana, Ethereum, it doesn't matter what coin you name, they are all coming down because of the amount of fear surrounding inflation, surrounding interest rates, surrounding Russia, surrounding China. There's so much going on right now that this fear is a major problem. Now, That's the short term. Inflation, it's going to work itself out. Interest rates, it's going to work itself out. Russia, China, I mean, the best I can hope for is that they're going to work themselves out, right? These problems, they are temporary. But what has a future is cryptocurrency. Digital assets absolutely have a future. Why am I so confident in that? The executive order that was just passed here in the United States not too long ago embraces cryptocurrency in a way that makes or wants to make the United States a leader on the blockchain front and on the digital asset and cryptocurrency front. You know, it's an embracing that a lot of people were concerned about at first as to whether or not the regulation would try to shut crypto down or whether or not the regulation would try to bring in as much as possible so that, of course, they could tax as much as possible and benefit that way. And it does seem to be the latter in the sense that we are embracing cryptocurrency in a way that is going to be profitable not only for, you know, the United States, but for cryptocurrency investors as well. The new generation. You look at Gen Z and whatever the next generation is after Gen Z, and they are willing to embrace anything digital. They don't need cash in their hand. They don't even, literally, it just lives in the metaverse, right? It just lives in internet world. And that is okay to them. They don't need to have anything physical because the digital is a replacement of that. And I know that might be hard for a lot of people to believe, especially if you're old school. It might be hard to believe that one day everything is going to be digital. But when that day comes, and when cryptocurrency is completely embraced across the globe, think about it. If you were able to load up and buy during these dip opportunities and buy, technically, I mean, if you could just go back, imagine, nobody wanted to buy cryptocurrency in 2020. Nobody wanted to buy Bitcoin when it was $4,000. Nobody wanted to buy Ethereum when it was $200. Nobody wanted to buy Ethereum when it was $80, right? Nobody wanted to buy Zcash when it was $12. Where are they now? 10, 20, 100x the prices that we were seeing back in 2020. And if you would have to be naive to think that we will not see future gains in the cryptocurrency market that could 100x not only the current prices, but if we drop even further, those prices as well. So if you guys are ready to set yourselves up with some amazing gains, the name of the game is to be patient, to be smart, and invest responsibly in cryptocurrency with a long-term approach and not a short-term approach. The short-term approach is going to get you called. It's going to get you kicked out, guys. I mean, it's going to be tough to stomach the short-term swings. But long-term, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Shiba Inu coin, they all have a beautiful future. And regardless of whether we bounce off 30,000 on Bitcoin tonight or if we fall through, I am excited about what the future holds for crypto. I want to know what you guys think. So down in the comments below, let me know what you think about the future of cryptocurrency and whether or not you guys are going to be folding or absolutely loading up. This button right here is still red. Make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. Webull, Binance, GeminiCrypto.com. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.